on the ground right now. What I'm doing?
Yes,
I ain't doing shit.
Turn over.
No, I ain't doing shit.
Stop spitting.
Man, I ain't doing shit.
On August 12th, 2024, an expensive mountain bike was reported stolen. The theft occurred days earlier while the victim was at the library. The bike was later identified, leading to the arrest of a black male who had allegedly sold it for $10.
My name is Officer Smith. I'm with the West Palm Beach Police Department. My ID number is 2132. Today's date is Monday, August 12th. The time is 12:23 hours. This would be an investigation of a bike theft that occurred at 411 Clematis Street on August 8th, 2024. The case number is going to be 24-13204. With me, I have the victim. Can you just raise your right hand for me? Do you swear you're telling the whole truth, nothing but the truth, and no one forced you to make any kind of statement?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and can you say your name and spell it for me?
First name's...
Okay, Eric, on August 8th, we spoke briefly about your bike being stolen from the library. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You parked it's a gray Huffy bike?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. At the library bike rack next to in the little open cubby, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Looking back at the cameras, today, it looks like you arrived around
10-ish, 11.
Yeah, in the morning, okay. And did you hang out in the library until you...
Hanging out in the library, uploading resumes and stuff like that.
Okay. And the gray Huffy bike that's your way of to and from for transportation for work. Okay. And you're currently living. And so around it was, I think on the cameras it was around 3:50ish, around 4 o'clock that you realized that your bike was stolen.
Yeah.
Correct?
I came out around there.
Yeah.
And I'm like, the lock was there, but the bike was gone. I'm like, I didn't understand that.
Is it possible maybe you didn't hinge it all the way?
I always turn
and you
the numbers.
twist it?
I always twist the numbers, make sure.
Okay.
So.
But that day you did that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I never forget.
So you had your bike, you didn't have your bike, but the bike lock, and the bike lock wasn't cut or anything like that. Okay.
I still have it in my bag.
Okay. All right. So obviously we're going to do an investigation, and we have camera footage and stuff like that. I just wanted to make sure I got a statement from you. The bike was given to you from the Lewis Center, right? For transportation.
Well, it was Jack the Bike Man on 420 Claremore Drive.
To help you with your transportation. To help you with your transportation and stuff, right? Okay.
To and from work.
Do you know any kind of value of the bike, or what you think it cost?
It was a brand new bike, so 26-inch mountain bike. So
mountain bike. Okay, I could probably look it up. It was a gray Huffy 26-inch mountain bike. Okay, I'll look up the price and put that in the thing. Okay. Do you wish to add anything on your statement? Okay. All right. We're gonna end sworn statement at 12:27 hours. He's running right here. Stop running. Stop running. I'm telling you, I'm gonna tase you, bro.
After identifying the potential suspect who had stolen the bike, he started fleeing and screaming, which only reinforced the police's suspicion that he was the one who committed the crime.
Run, I'm gonna tase you. Get on the ground.
Hey, Mick, you better get down. Get down the ground. Get on the ground right now. What I'm doing?
Yes,
I ain't doing shit.
Turn over.
No, I ain't doing shit.
Stop spitting.
Man, I ain't doing shit. Y'all fucking with me. Stop doing that. That's what I did wrong.
We are going to talk to your body. So
But what? Don't put me in handcuffs. Stop fucking with me.
Gregory, you're gonna get tased, Greg.
Lay down the ground.
Man, y'all fucking with me for no reason, man. Y'all fucking with me for no reason. Look. Why y'all fucking with me for no reason?
400 block Clematis.
Man, I ain't doing shit.
There's only thing.
Get up.
I ran, bro, look. Man, listen, I'm not going to jail for nothing.
You're not going. Listen, we need to talk to you.
Bro, let me get myself.
We're gonna get it. Come on.
Let me lock it.
I ain't doing shit, nobody. Y'all fucking with me. Y'all keep fucking with me, bro. Damn. Y'all fuck with me.
Stop.
Listen, the more you talk, the worse it's gonna get. Just calm down.
How the rest gonna get and y'all watching and playing the game and shit?
Listen, bro. If we talk to you, then you just calm down so we can talk to you. We're not gonna be able to talk to you by you screaming. Just chill for a minute.
Y'all fucking with me because I'm broke.
Just chill for a minute, bro. Just chill. All you gotta do is just chill.
Get in the car, look. See, bro, you telling I stopped you to ask you a question. That's what, and you try to put me in handcuffs, try to attain me for no reason.
I don't care, son.
Why you trying to attain me for no reason?
Get in the car.
What you mean you don't care? What you mean you don't care?
Get in the car.
He trying to attain me for no reason. What you mean you don't care?
Get in the car.
He trying to attain me for no reason.
Stop spitting. Get in the car.
Cause I ain't gonna try to harass me.
Put your feet in the car.
No.
Stop.
No. You ain't gonna set me up. No charge.
You're making it worse for yourself, Gregory.
Bro, I'm just speaking fast, bro. I ain't cussing you out. I
don't care if you cuss.
Don't worry about me. I ain't doing shit wrong. You see that? I ain't doing shit wrong. That's fucked up.
Like twist
That really fucked up, bro. That really fucked up.
I'm gonna have one mail sent
bro.
to 51 at HQ.
I ain't
Copy
doing
started.
shit wrong. That fucked up, bro. Bitch ain't finna set me over no charge, bro. That fucked up.
11812.2.
That's fucked up. That's fucked up, bro. I'm telling y'all fucking with me. Y'all always fuck with me, bro. To my station. Bitch ain't doing shit wrong.
Stop.
Fucking guys, bro.
Stop.
Bro, I ran because he tried to attain me for no reason. I stopped and asked him a question. I told him I'm great. He's still talking about, okay, well, they ain't get no call on me. What the hell wrong with this dude? Y'all just want to harass me, kill me. Damn. Tell him, man, no. Y'all ain't gonna set me up. No, hell no. You don't walk around for money. No.
Bike to 97 HQ. Copy in.
No. Come on, I ain't doing shit wrong.
11812.5. 11812.5.
Nope. I be damn. Hell no. Listen, welcome to the station.
Gregory, if you chill out, I could talk to you, but you don't ever chill out because you make it worse.
I'll make it worse.
Right now, the way you're acting.
Listen, okay, if I calm down,
the way you're acting, I'm gonna tell you everything if you calm down.
I ain't do shit.
Well, then I'm not gonna tell you shit.
See, look at that.
That's the way it works.
Bro,
I don't have to tell you anything, bro.
You in jail for nothing.
I don't have to tell you anything. You want to act well, then I won't tell you nothing.
This dude, other dude, because
okay,
I stopped him.
I
don't want to stop him.
Okay, but if you chill out, right, I'll talk to you. But you won't chill out, so I'm not gonna talk to you.
No, I'm chilling.
Well, okay.
Bro,
that's the way it works, Gregory.
I was supposed to talk to Christ anyway.
That's the way it works, Gregory.
I ain't do nothing. My mama ain't do nothing. Oh, my mama.
All right, bro. Let's relax. I can't talk to you when you're like this. You know that.
Because I'm getting harassed.
But you know that. You know that, right?
You know that I'm getting harassed.
Okay.
You trying to put a pain on me. The reason why I ran
because you're running.
I have rights. He never should put me in handcuffs, attain me.
Listen.
I ain't do nothing. He put me. I stopped him and asked him. I stopped him and asked him. I said, what I did, I'm all right. He said, hold on. He said, I don't know. He said, let me get out the road. I said,
turn your head.
Bro, he the one that put me a chain like this, and I said, I snatched away from my ring.
Get him in the AC.
Hell, I ain't doing shit. We want to say like I'm going to jail.
Come on, Gregory.
No.
I'm gonna talk to you inside.
I'm not going to jail. I'm not going to jail. No, I'm not going to jail.
I got it. Come on, Gregory.
Because I see whatever you want to fuck with.
All the way in. All the way in.
Bro,
go inside. I'm gonna come talk to you right now. I'm gonna talk to you. You chill out.
I'm not for the be behind no wall for nothing, bro.
Chill.
We searching good?
Yeah, I'm not nothing on me, so why y'all?
You haven't searched him at all.
What you
Kick your shoes off.
Kick your shoes off.
Come on, Gregory.
Oh man, y'all fucking with me too much, bro. Look, he know he wrong. I asked him, look.
Gregory, stop.
I ain't do nothing.
Hey, are you gonna chill out? I'm gonna take you out of handcuffs. You gonna chill out?
Okay, we're not gonna talk to you, bro, unless you chill. When she takes it off, put your hand on the wall, alright?
He already said. Man, call me. I'm good. I got no problem.
Take that rubber band off for me, please.
What I'm doing wrong,
I'm gonna talk to you, Gregory. Sit down. Go ahead.
Have a
sit.
seat for a second.
Sit, and I'll come talk
You
to
want some
you.
water?
bro, and I'm saying what I'm doing wrong.
Gregory.
I'm not doing nothing. Nobody can tell me with nothing. I ain't
You want
doing nothing
water?
wrong. I walk around
Hey, you want water?
all day.
Gregory.
All
Alright.
Man, cause you not letting me talk. You keep saying you doing no more me. Not gonna cuss you people out.
In the next few seconds, the suspect will confess to the crime and attempt to defend his story, little knowing that he will end up in jail for the crime he committed.
Then I can't talk to you.
Alright.
Okay. Alright, you have the right to remain silent. I answer any questions. You understand? You don't understand? Or you do?
Yes.
Okay. You have the right to the presence of a lawyer of your choice before you make any statement during any
Bro,
question.
hold on. I ain't doing nothing wrong to somebody. I should not be in jail. I should be read no written rights.
I can't.
I'm not sure, man. Before you read it, I'm not doing nothing wrong.
Okay.
Why this man lying about stuff? Why he lying
It
about
has
stuff?
nothing to do with it.
But I'm saying, what? I ain't do nothing. I ain't do nothing wrong. Why he lying about stuff? Why he lying about stuff? What's going on?
I'm gonna tell you, but I can't ask you any questions.
But it's not,
without
bro. It's
reading
not, bro.
Miranda.
I don't care now. I don't do nothing to nobody. I don't rob nobody, nothing. But what's going on?
Gregory.
You know me. Y'all watch me.
Gregory.
I walk and ask for money, bro. Y'all be playing with me. All right, go ahead.
Okay. You have the right to the presence of a lawyer of your choice before you make any statement during any question. You understand? You gotta say yes or no.
Yeah, well, why y'all doing this, bro? Y'all keep trying to talk about. I always try to get me locked up for no reason.
You cannot afford a lawyer. You're entitled to the presence of a court-appointed lawyer before you make any statement during any question. Do you understand?
Yeah, bro. Bro, you know why I'm mad. I'm trying to be in jail. That's why I'm mad.
I understand.
Yeah, how you understand? You continue.
I have to.
Bro, I'm not going to jail for nothing, bro.
This is the law. I have to.
Alright.
Any statement can and may be used to get you in the court of law. Do you understand? Yes. Okay. Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given. You understand? Yes. But any time during the interview you do not wish to answer any questions, you're privileged to remain silent. Do you understand? Okay. I cannot make no threats or promises to induce you to make a statement. This must be a free will. You understand? Okay. On last Thursday, you were hanging out at the library, right?
What happened?
Okay. So a bike was stolen. You're on camera stealing the bike. Okay, I'll show you the picture. I'm going to show you.
That bike was unlocked.
Okay.
That was somebody else's bike.
It was unlocked?
Yeah, it was unlocked. It wasn't stolen. So who said I stole the bike?
It's on camera. The guy whose bike it is came up to us saying his bike was stolen. We watched video camera footage and you're on the bike, riding up on the bike. You
Oh, you talking that bike?
The
Man.
gray Huffy? What you do with it? The gray Huffy?
No, I gave it to somebody else. It was unlocked.
Okay.
It was unlocked. Somebody is on the side of the library.
Yeah, on the side of the
Yeah, it was unlocked.
Okay.
Yeah. I did
Was
take
there
the
a
bike.
bike lock around it? And
It was locked around.
He never connected it all the way?
Yeah, it was locked around it.
Okay, but he never connected it all the way?
No, he never connected. But yeah, I did took it, but
But you knew it wasn't your bike. Why would you take it?
I knew it was my bike. But the thing is, the reason why I took it because I know people leave bikes right there.
Yeah.
And some people don't want the bikes. That's why I took it. People don't be wanting their bikes. And they let me take it.
That bike was brand new.
No, it wasn't. It was different wheels on it. No, it
No
wasn't
different
brand new.
wheels were on it?
Yeah, it wasn't brand new. He thought that was a setup. That was a bait. That was a bait.
What? Man, come on.
That was a bait.
Okay. So you knew it wasn't your bike. Who'd you give it to? Because he wants his bike back. Who'd you give it to?
I gave it to
Did you sell it?
old school, yeah, $10.
You sold it? 10 bucks?
Yeah.
What's his name?
I forgot his name.
What he look like?
He old.
Old dude? Where he stay at?
He be over there
4th Street?
by you guys. I sold
Oh,
it
by
to
you
him.
guys that far?
Yeah.
Okay. He
But
was
I
just
sold it to him. Yeah, I sold it to him by you guys.
he was just hanging out there.
Yeah,
and he
I'm
sold
somebody worth it. I thought it was something serious,
It's still a crime, bro.
but it's not.
And you understand, the more times you commit thefts, the worse the crime.
But that's picked up. But that's
Okay,
not.
yeah, but you have to go to jail for it. So, 'cause
Nah,
it's still a
man.
crime. Yeah, you stole from someone you knew it wasn't your bike, and then you sold it for $10.
Bro,
That's why we stopped you today. So you wanted to know? I
I'm
told
saying
you.
why I can't just bro.
Like what?
Bro, I told you too, bro. Like,
I understand, but just because you tell us the truth, don't mean.
bro, but it's still that bike, bro. It wasn't stolen. Somebody told me I could get it. That's why I got
Who
it.
told you to get it?
No, somebody said I could get it.
Okay, well,
Cause I looked at the bike and said, get it.
then whoever told you they could get it set you up. Okay?
I'm saying,
But it's a
right?
stolen bike.
No, listen.
All right. You want to
All
say
right.
anything else?
But look, bro, he can't do that though. He can't. No, bro.
All right.
So y'all been watching me for what?
What you mean? He
Oh,
recorded
that
the
bike,
bike.
that bike shit. Y'all doing something
We
with that
watched
bike
cameras.
shit.
We watched the
I know
cameras.
this. Oh, y'all doing something with that bike shit. 1 minute, that 1 minute gone. That's green as fuck.
All right, buddy.
Why y'all do that?
We didn't do it. You stole it.
Bro, listen.
All right.
That man crazy as hell.
The Florida man was charged with grand theft of a property valued at over $750, which can result in a prison sentence ranging from a few months to up to 5 years. For an even crazier case, click on the screen to find out about a police officer who killed an innocent man. Stay safe and don't forget to subscribe.